High-Tech Gaskets is committed to providing customers with enhanced service. Our production team can quickly manufacture gaskets to your desired specifications, ensuring that we have the part you need when you need it. Our gasket manufacturing facility utilizes several techniques, including hand cutting, die cutting, and a flash cutter for rapid gasket production. If you have a custom gasket, no problem. High-Tech Gaskets employs a LaserQC optical measurement device to rapidly produce dimensional information in a CAD format. The LaserQC is capable of plotting up to 500 points per minute to within an accuracy of plus or minus 0.002 of an inch. Information is harnessed to produce a production drawing, or it can be sent directly to production. Our production team can quickly replicate your previously existing component while avoiding tooling and costly labor. Once our team is ready to produce your gasket, we select the best material from our extensive inventory of quality sheet stock. Rubber and thermoplastic materials come in standard thicknesses, 1/64 of an inch through 1/4 of an inch. Materials include red rubber, neoprene, nitrile, cork and nitrile, highly saturated nitrile, fluorocarbon, silicone, EPDM, neonylon, and PTFE. Popular non-asbestos composite materials include nitrile reinforced with aramide fibers and nitrile reinforced with carbon fibers. Composite materials are available in thicknesses 1/64 of an inch through 1/8 of an inch. Standard metal materials include stainless steel 316, stainless steel 304, mild steel, and graph oil. Contact High-Tech Gaskets or High-Tech Seals for all your gasket needs.